we turn product confusion into confident picks. If we earn your trust today, return the favor with a subscribe so we can tackle the next lineup.
So, you're torn between the Canon Portrait and Travel 2 lens kit and the Nikon 40mm micro lens?
This is a tough one. It's versatility versus specialization, and your shooting style is key. The Canon kit, at around $349 renewed, sounds like a no-brainer. 2 lenses for the price of, well, less than 2 new lenses.
But is it really the better deal? Think about it. You get an EF 50mm f, 1.8 STM, that's your portrait lens with the lovely bokeh, and an EFS 10 to 18mm f, 4.5 to 5.6, is STM for those sweeping landscapes.
Talk about covering your bases. True, but the Nikon, currently around $218 renewed, is significantly lighter at just 1.1 pounds.
How does that single, specialized lens stack up against the Canon's dual lens approach in terms of image quality and convenience? Let's break down what each lens actually excels at. The Canon kit's 10 to 18mm lens gives you that ultra-wide 16mm equivalent focal length.
Perfect for squeezing in that entire mountain range or a cramped city street. It's like having a panoramic view in your camera bag. But the Nikon is a asterisk true times macro lens. It can focus down to just over half a foot, achieving a 1-to-1 reproduction ratio.
Imagine capturing the intricate details of a flower's stamen or the compound eye of an insect with stunning clarity. Here's the crux of it. The Canon is your all-rounder, while the Nikon is a macro photography powerhouse.
So the Canon wins on sheer versatility, covering a huge range of focal lengths.
But is the image quality as crisp and detailed as the Nikon when you're shooting something tiny up close? Probably not. The Nikon's designed specifically for macro.
It's optimized for sharpness and detail at close range, even if it means sacrificing that wide-angle perspective. Plus, it boasts Nikon's silent wave motor for quiet autofocus, crucial for not scaring away your tiny subjects. Exactly. If you're a travel photographer who wants to pack light and capture a variety of subjects without constantly switching lenses, the Canon kit is a compelling option.
But if you're captivated by the miniature world and dream of capturing breathtaking macro images, the Nikon 40mm micro is your lens.
Both are excellent choices. It all boils down to where your photographic passion lies.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.